Document steganography. Document steganography is a technique of hiding secret message transfer in the form of document. It includes, in addition of white space or tab at the end of the line. We have steganography. It hides any file or message in an image, BMP, JPG, GIF, audio, video, or any other format. We also have the document steganography tool such as SCTG, Office XML, Snow, DataStage, and Testo. Steganalysis, a reverse process of steganography. Steganalysis is the art of discovering and rendering covert messages using steganography. It detects hidden messages embedded in image, text, audio, and video carrier medium. Challenge of the steganalysis. Suspect or information stream may or may not have encoded hidden data. Efficient and accurate detection of hidden content within digital image is difficult. The message could be encrypted before being inserted into a file or signal. Some of the suspect signal or file may have irrelevant data or noise encoded into them. Stegananalysis method or attack on steganography. We have several types of stegananalysis methods such as stegano-only, non-stegano, non-message, non-cover, chosen message, chosen stegano, chi-square, distinguishing, statistical, and blind classifier. Detecting steganography for the text, image, audio, and video file. For the text file, the alterations are made to the character position to hide the data. The alterations are detected by looking for the text pattern or disturbance, language use, and unusual amount of blank space. Image file, the hidden data in an image can be detected by determining change in the size, file format, the last modified timestamp, and the color palette pointing to the existence of the hidden data. The statistical analysis method is used for image scanning. For the audio file, the statistical analysis method can be used for detecting audio steganography as it involves LSB modification. The inaudible frequency can be scanned for the hidden information. Any odd distortion and patterns show the existence of the secret data. For the video file, detection of the secret data in the video file includes a combination of methods used in image and audio file. Covering track. Once intruders have successfully gained administrative access on the system, they will try to cover their track to avoid detection. The attacker uses the following technique to cover her track on the target system. The first, disable auditing. Number second, clearing log. Number third, manipulating log. Number four, covering track on the network or operating system. Number five, deleting file. And the sixth, lastly, disable window functionality. Way to clear online track: remove the most recently used MRU, delete cookies, clear the cache, turn off autocomplete, and clear the toolbar data from the browser. From the privacy setting in Windows 10, right-click on the Start button, choose Setting, and click on Personalization. In Personalization, click Start from the left pane and turn off both Show Most Used Application and Show Recently Opened Item in the jump list on the Start or the taskbar. From the registry in Windows 10, open the registry editor and navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, and current version Explorer, and then remove the key for the recent dock. Delete all the values except the default. Covering track on the operating system. For the Windows, NTFS has a feature known as alternate data stream that allow attacker to hide the file behind the normal file. Given below are some steps of the file using NTFS. For the unit, file unit can be hidden just by appending a dot from of the file name. Attacker can use these features to edit the log file to cover their track. Attacker can use export command to delete the command history and a specific command they use to hide the log file. Disable window functionality. Disable the last access timestamp. fsutil is a utility in Windows used to set the NTFS volume behavior parameter, which control enabling or disabling of the last access timestamp. Disable window hibernation. Disable window hibernation using registry editor or power CFG command. This example for disable window functionality. This also is another example for disable window virtual memory for the backing file, and also example for disable system restore point. Defending against covering track. First, we must activate the logging functionality on all critical systems. Number 2, conduct periodic audit on IT system to ensure logging functionality is in accordance with the security policy. Number 3, ensure new event do not override old entry in the log file when the storage limit is exceeded. Number 4, configure appropriate and minimal permission necessary to read and write log file. Number 5, maintain a separate logging server on the DMZ to store log from critical server. Number 6, regularly update and patch operating system, application and firmware. Number 7, close all unused port and service. Number 8, encrypt the log file stored on the system so that altering them is not possible without an appropriate decryption key. Number 9, set log file to append only mode to prevent unauthorized deletion of the log entry. Number 10, periodically backup the log file to unalterable media. For the module summary, in this module we have discussed the following: CH hacking methodology along with various phases involving in system hacking such as gaining access, escalating privilege, maintaining access and covering threat. Various techniques and tools attacker employ to gain access to the target system. Various tools and techniques attacker use to escalate their privilege. Various techniques such as execution of malicious application, keylogger, spyware, rootkit, NTFS, string manipulation, steganography and stag analysis that attacker use to maintain remote access to the target system and steal critical information. Various techniques attacker employ to erase all evidence of compromise from the target system. Various countermeasures that should be employed to protect the system from hacking attempt, along with various software protection tools. In the next module, we will discuss in detail about the various malware threats.